on the way. Look, you're getting 2 of these. This is from PopSonic. If you were to purchase this separately, $79.98. I like that each one is just $15 instead. I like that this is an easy payment of $7.50. They are rechargeable. This aired earlier this morning. It has been incredibly popular that we wanted to bring it back to you here in this show. This is the only place that you're going to find this. It is exclusive to us here at QVC. You do have your choice in colors though, and those colors are going to be bright and vibrant and absolutely beautiful. And of course, we're talking about functionality. So nose hair, ear hair, this is gonna do it all. It's lightweight, it's portable, and it's rechargeable, which is huge. Remember, you get 2 of them. If you want this first one here, this is called the Black Floral. You got both of them included in this, each individually boxed as well. So that's fantastic that you're gonna have that right here. We're looking at the purple, it's called Lavender. This one is our Pink Marble. And then finally, our most limited option is the gray with just 585 left. That is it. 2,300 of these have been picked up this morning. So you do not want to wait on this. We're going to bring out Courtney Morris, who has been with PopSonic for quite a bit.
Yes, how are
so
you?
Nice to see you.
It's great to
Thanks
see
for
you.
being here. So we're
Thanks.
going to use
trimming.
this to trim our nose hair.
Yes.
I'm so excited, honestly, Courtney, to get in
feel
here.
like we've done a lot of hair removal together so
We
far,
have,
but
yes.
This is brand new. It just launched this morning. It's smaller. It's more compact, and now it's USB rechargeable. It has that lithium-ion battery in it, so it's really powerful. So think about nose hairs, ear hairs, really coarse hairs, even in between your eyebrows, rogue eyebrow hairs. Oh. It will do everything. It's so easy. One on and off button, and then I'm just gonna start going.
I'm going in.
We have mirrors, but we don't even need the mirrors.
Do you hear that crunch
I really
from
hope
that?
you guys can hear that.
Oh my gosh, this, I mean, look, I have had many times before, especially I've got one of those mirrors that goes real close into you.
Yes.
Kind of like this shot is on me right now when I go into my dressing room, and I'm getting ready for the show, and I'm like, what is that?
I know.
You can tweeze it if you want.
Which is so painful.
My eyes are watering thinking about
And
it.
I was just gonna say, when that camera was uptight on you, your eyes are not watering. My eyes are not watering. I would not be able to like hide it, to be honest with you. It's a really gentle vibration, and then everything's inset in this trimmer head, so you're not seeing any blades. You're not seeing any hairs. Everything collects inside. I'm able to put my finger on it because it doesn't hurt. And we shaped it this way on purpose so that you can tilt it in on either side of your nose without the actual device being in the way. So you're able to like just get those hairs on the inside. Anything that's poking out, we've all been standing next to somebody who has those like longer nose hairs or the ear hairs that are sprouting out. Or as you get old, literally, did you know that as you get older, your nose hair grows, your ear hair grows, your eyebrow hair grows, and it gets more coarse? Did you feel that? I can hear it.
I can hear the crunch. I can't believe how much hair I actually had inside of there.
It's very satisfying.
This, if you were to purchase this separately, we're talking about $79.98. Each and every one of these, this should be $39.99 each. Today you're bringing it home for $15 each. Put it on an easy payment of $7.50. Take advantage of our sale price. 2,300 people already have.
Just getting I'm getting the nose hair. Listen, we're partners in this show.
I so appreciate it.
Let me get under the table here
Listen,
too.
we all need Mary.
Were you able to get under the table by bending that?
I sure was. This might be coming up at midnight. I just wanted to get that for you guys. Please carry on.
I'm putting it the wrong ear.
Hey, look, if it's a tool to be able to clean your vacuum or a tool to be able to clean your nose, I'll take it. We've got it for you.
We're all here for it. We all have hair in our nose. We all have hair in our ears. I can even use this if I have like that little eyebrow hair that's just kind of an extra.
So
because
just like right on the side?
That's it. You can just literally hold it right up against your skin, and it zaps the hair. Yeah. And you can probably hear it getting it. You can clean up your sideburns.
You know where I get is like right here.
You get hair there?
Like right in like little tiny hairs right in the middle of my nose, and so I can just get that too. And of course you can get in here because you have 2 of them. That means you could put one maybe in your purse. Maybe you have one at your office at work.
Take them wherever you go.
Exactly. They'll go with you everywhere. You know, my dad is like notorious for having a lot of nose hair, and he happens to be here right now. So I pulled one. Dad, do you want to come out here and
very brave soul.
We said that he was going to try modeling. Go ahead, get in there with that.
He hasn't tried it at all, right? This is it.
No, this is his first time.
And he's going to go. And we specifically designed this tip.
Nice.
You can't stick it in too much into your nose. So it's the perfect size to get all those hairs that are unsightly and that stick out without messing up any of that like good hair internally. And here comes Mary now to clean up for us.
Your dad out here.
There was a lot, right?
We have company, Justin. I don't want it to be.
You know what? You know what the craziest thing is?
Gotta clean up.
My dad taught me how to shave, and now I just brought him onto national TV to trim his nose hair.
You're doing a great
Full
job.
circle moment
and this
right
is
now.
like just feels very natural, doesn't it?
You know what? It actually, it's kind of therapeutic. Like when you hear everything that it's able to trim.
Yeah. Everything. And you get 2. They're individually boxed. So if you get a set of 2, you can keep one, you can gift one, you can get a couple. I'm telling you, everyone really needs this. And when Justin mentioned plucking, I had a friend, I was sitting in the car with him. We were driving to pick up something. We're sitting at a light. He noticed a hair in his nose. He took out tweezers and plucked it, and then it was so uncomfortable. And I couldn't believe he did that. I would never take a tweezer to my nose hair. It's so painful, but this works.
The best thing is I could tell how much fun my dad is having right now. Like
He's doing so great. I love it.
He's having a blast with this. Look, you've got 2 different color options that you can choose, or you've
4
color options. I'm sorry. You're getting 2.
You get 2.
Thank you. There we go. If you want the gray, we have less than 400 now that remain. 800 of these have already been picked up, with 700 of them just when they saw my dad doing this. I'm just kidding. Oh, he's laughing now. We also have this available in the pink marble. This is your lavender. Remember, everybody's getting 2. So 2 gray, 2 of the pink marble, 2 of the lavender, and 2 of that black floral that you can bring home. It's $15 each on this sale price of $29.98. Each one individually, Courtney, it should be $39.99.
I know.
Each.
When I saw the price, I thought, this morning when we launched it, I thought, wait, is that a mistake? Because we just launched it. It's so easy. It's so convenient. And like, I love that we can bring you this value here at QVC. You're getting 2. You're getting, each of them have the caps. They each come with a brush, and they each come with that charging cord. It maybe takes up to 45 minutes to fully charge, and then you're good to go for 60 minutes of use. Like, you're using this for a couple minutes at a time, so it lasts a long time too.
I mean, when have you ever been in the car before and you're getting ready to go to that meeting and you go to like just check yourself in the mirror and you're like, how did I miss that this morning? Then you pull this out, and because you're getting 2 of them, keep one in your purse, keep one in your car. Maybe you put one in your desk at work, so that before you go into that big meeting, before you go into the job interview, you just tidy up, and it's easy, and it doesn't hurt, and you're going to be actually pretty surprised. I was when I put it in my ear, and I heard all of the
crunches everything.
crunch.
I feel like I can breathe better too. After I was waiting for this morning, and then once I did it, I was like, oh, that just feels good. You know, you get rid of all the junk. You don't want the hair sticking out, and you don't want to be. If you're ever standing next to somebody and you can see the hairs, now you can just say, here you go, take one of these. You don't have to get like a little embarrassed about it.
I love that as like a little gift. Look, we've all been there before where we've sat across from somebody at lunch where we're like, they missed that hair, and you don't want to like say anything, right? 1,100 of these already gone. You have it in gray, but only 200 of them. And you do not want to miss out on this opportunity. The next 200 people to pick up the phone will get 2 in the gray. We also have the pink marble set of 2 in the lavender, and finally the set of the 2 in the black floral as well. Should be $39.99 each, but instead you're bringing it home on an easy payment of just $7.50. Courtney Morris, thank you so much. So good to see you.
Thanks to your dad.
Yeah, a big